everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Jeffree Star unboxing. This is the deluxe size, I believe that's what it's called. It's the $70 box. I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing with you guys, and this has been sitting in my filming room for a few days now, but I am ready to take a look and see what it's in the box. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. If you want to know what's in my box, then definitely continue watching. I did just get off work a few hours ago and I didn't feel like touching up my makeup, so if it looks heavy, it's because it is. I just pretty much blotted my skin and I was just like, my skin looks a little heavy, but don't mind that. I also do want to mention that this video is in collab with my good friend Naya. She picked up the mini and the middle box. I don't remember what it's called. I think it's premium. The mini and the premium, and I think deluxe is the big one, I believe. I should probably double check that, but definitely go and check out her channel so you guys can see what she got in her mystery box. But if you want to know what I got in mine, again, I got the big one, definitely keep on watching. So this is the deluxe box. I'm just looking at my email. I did pay $70 for this box, and then I also did pay $9 for shipping, which I kind of thought $9 was a lot for shipping. Like, Jeffree Star needs to do like cheaper shipping rates. And then I also paid state tax and county tax for some reason, and then my total ended up being $83.97 for this box. Definitely add up the value of my box at the end of the video, so we'll see if this box was worth $70. So again, I haven't opened my box. I have no idea what's in here. I've only seen videos unboxing like the mini and the middle one, but not the big one, because I wanted to be surprised on what I got. I've seen a few hit and misses from the mini and the other one, but I haven't seen any of the big ones, so I have no idea what's in here. So let me go ahead and open this up and you guys can take a look for me first. So here's the inside. Some tissue. Ooh, let's see. Look, this is all that's in there. I see a shirt, which is awesome. I actually really wanted a mirror. The only mirror I have is a red star one, which I love. Red is my favorite color, but I really wanted another mirror, but it doesn't look like they sent out mirrors this time around. The apparel thing I see here is the black Jeffree Star shirt, which I'm super excited is black. Like, I wear everything black, and I did get a size large. So this is the black shirt with the neon logo, which is really cool. And the back says, "Hi, how are ya?" I'm super excited that I got a black, because I was hoping I wasn't going to get like pink or something like that. I don't like wearing pink clothes, so I'm super excited for this. Let's see what else we got. So the next thing that's catching my eye is this Supreme Frost highlighting powder in hypothermia. Ooh, awesome. It's like, I think it's a wearable shade, right? Oh, wait. Not very wearable, but here's what it looks like. So it looks like it's like a dual chrome type color. Dang it. I was hoping it would be like Wet Dream or something, but this is pretty cool. Let me go ahead and swatch this. So it does have like a shift to it. So I heard a lot of people say that this is mostly like glitter. If you don't like glittery highlights, they say you might not like this, but this is pretty cool. So it's like a teal reflecting purple. This is pretty cool. I don't have any of these. Do you guys have any of these? What do you guys think of these? This box keeps closing on me. Okay, so I did get a pink reusable straw, which is not bad. Pretty cool. I've never actually used like these metal straws, but we also got this in my box. Next up, I see a pop socket, which is an orange pop socket. I don't have any pop sockets, so this is actually really cool to get, so I can use it for my phone. And then here I see the velour liquid lipstick in the shade Mystery, question mark? I don't know. But I'm actually not going to swatch this, because when I saw other unboxings, people were swatching this, and this is definitely not a shade I would use. Yes, I can use this as liner or like in the waterline, but how many times am I actually going to use this? So I think I may sell this on my Poshmark. Again, I'm not sure. I may sell it on my Poshmark. If I do, it will, my Poshmark name will be in the description box. Next up, I got this velour lip liner in the shade Androgyny, which is nice because Androgyny is definitely a wearable color. So far, I am like not upset with this box. I don't have any of these lip liners, so this is cool. The packaging is really nice. And here is a swatch, very wearable shade. I also do have Androgyny liquid lip. So again, this is a very wearable shade that I could use with a lot of different lippies. So excited for this. It looks like we got a hot pink liquid liner. So this is in the shade Diva. It's one of the matte liquid lipsticks. I could probably keep this like as a liner, a bright liner. So again, Diva, I don't have this shade, so that's nice. Next up, I got the velour liquid lipstick in the shade Poinsettia. I think I have this already. Ooh, look at this. It's like a red, like shimmer. I think I have this already. Let me double check. So I actually don't have Poinsettia. I have this one, which is in Rich Blood, which pretty much looks like the same color. I guess Poinsettia looks a little more glittery. So this one is Poinsettia and this is Rich Blood. Can you guys tell the difference? So let me go ahead and swatch. This one is Rich Blood. So it's right here. Mine's dried out, so maybe I need to throw this away. This one is Poinsettia. Ooh, it's definitely more like red, whereas Rich Blood is more like a pink. So this one is Rich Blood, and then this one over here is Poinsettia. By swatching it, Rich Blood looks more like a pink red, whereas this one's more metallic red. Hopefully you guys can tell. Next up, I got the shade Mannequin. Oh my gosh, I actually wanted this color. My friend Stacy says this is like her favorite nude. So another velour liquid lipstick in the shade Mannequin. I don't have this. This will be cool as a liner as well. It's just like a really super nude color. And here is a swatch of it up here. Alright, and let's see the last thing we got in here. Kind of sad, I feel like I didn't get a lot of stuff. Is a lip scrub in the shade Peach Popsicle. Awesome. I only have one lip scrub, which is in Mint Mojito, but Peach Popsicle sounds delicious. Let's... it smells so good. Yummy. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am like really happy with my box. Like super happy. Let's see. Let's swatch Diva since I didn't swatch Diva. Diva's like a hot pink. Oh yes. Here is Diva. A hot pink color right there. And then I did swatch Mannequin. I swatched Poinsettia. The only shade I didn't swatch was the mystery shade. I'm going to add up everything in my box to see what my box is worth. I just looked on the Jeffree Star site and it looks like the shirts are $25. So I did get 4 liquid lipsticks. So 18 times 4 is $72 plus $25 for my shirt. And I gotta keep looking at other stuff because I have no idea. The Supreme Frosts are $32. The lip scrubs, I'm not sure how much those are. Velour lip scrub, I think they're 18. Are they? They're 12. The lip liners are 16 plus the metal straw. I'm not sure how much the metal straw is because I do see like I think it's like a 3-pack or a 5-pack and those are $20. So I'm not sure how much the single metal straw costs. Should I put like $5? So just by adding everything besides the pop socket, my box is $162 worth of product and I paid $70 plus shipping and tax, which was 80 something, 83, 85. I don't remember what I said in the beginning of the video. I got double of what I paid for, so I'm definitely content with this box. I'm gonna have to go check out the other bigger boxes because again, I haven't watched any of the unboxings, but my box was really good. Like definitely wearable colors. I'm super excited. The only thing that I wasn't super excited about was the mystery shade, which is not really a shade I wear. It's too like pinky for me. Let me know if you picked up this box and what did you get? Did you get good stuff like I did? I'm super excited for this box. It was a really good box. I would definitely like buy another box. But again, you're risking getting like random crazy shades. I know a lot of people did get some crazy shades in their boxes, but now I'm definitely gonna go see the other boxes like mine to see what other people got as well. I'm super excited that I didn't go look at other videos because I'm really happy with what I got. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and definitely go check out Naya's videos if you haven't done so already. And if you're coming from her channel, welcome. My name is Mariela. I hope you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!